In this tutorial, you will learn how to disable the download option on your YouTube videos. By following just a few simple steps, you can quickly prevent viewers from downloading your content. To get started, open up the YouTube Studio app, and then go over to the Content tab. After that, select the video for which you want to disable the download option. And then tap on the pen button at the top right. Now you'll have the ability to edit the video, such as its description, visibility, audience, etc. Tap here to see more options. Once you are on this page, you'll see a section called License and Distribution, and in that section, you'll see an option called Allow Embedding, which is enabled. To disable the download option on your YouTube video, simply remove this checkmark. Once you've unchecked that, go back and tap Save at the top right. This is exactly how you can disable the download option on YouTube. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.